Number 1. Strawberries are not really berries. Despite their name, these sweet little fruits are actually an aggregate fruit, meaning that they're formed from multiple small fruits that grow together. So much for being part of the berry club. Number 2. These little fruits pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrients. They may be low in calories, but they're high in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which can help keep your body healthy and strong. Number 3. If you want to keep your heart in good shape, adding strawberries to your diet is a great idea. Studies have shown that regular consumption of these fruits can help reduce inflammation and improve blood lipid levels, both of which are key factors in maintaining good cardiovascular health. Number 4. Believe it or not, strawberries have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. People throughout history have turned to these fruits to help treat everything from digestive issues to skin conditions, thanks to their natural healing properties. Number 5. Finally, not all strawberries are created equal. There are many different varieties of these fruits, each with its own unique flavor and characteristics. So next time you're picking out strawberries at the grocery store, take a moment to appreciate the wide variety of delicious options that are available to you.